Welcome back. In this video, we will be discussing the third phase of the project lifecycle, the project analysis and design phase. What is project analysis and design? Now, I'd like you to pause the video and think about what project analysis and design might entail. Project analysis and design is a phase in a project where the current state is analyzed, business needs are clarified, and a solution is designed to meet those needs. It bridges the gap between what the business needs and how the solution will be delivered. This is a phase where a business analyst analyzes the current state, clarifies requirements, and designs a solution that meets business needs and aligns with project objectives. Key activities in project analysis and design phase are: 1. Business analysis. 2. Elicit and validate requirements from stakeholders. 3. Analyze business processes, systems, and data. 4. Identify gaps between the current state, as is, and desired state to be. 5. Solution design. 6. Develop high-level and detailed solution options. 7. Create process models, data models, and functional specifications. 8. Evaluate solution alternatives and recommend the best approach. 9. Validation of solution. 10. Confirm that proposed solutions meet business objectives. And 11. Ensure design aligns with scope, constraints, and requirements. What are the typical outputs or artifacts of project analysis and design? 1. As-is and to-be process models. 2. Gap analysis documents. 3. Data models and entity relationship diagrams (ERDs). 4. Business rules catalog. 5. Functional specifications or design specifications. And 6. Prototypes, mock-ups, or wireframes. Let us now look at the outputs one after the other. Number 1. Is the as-is and to-be process models output of the project analysis and design phase. As-is and to-be process models are key business analysis tools used to understand current processes and design future improvements. The business analyst owns the as-is and to-be process models, creating them to represent current and future business processes, while stakeholders validate their accuracy and feasibility. As-is process models describe the current way a business process operates, while to-be process models illustrate the future, improve process after changes or a new solution is implemented. They help identify gaps and guide solution design. Let's now explore each of the models in a bit more detail. As-is process model. As-is is a representation of the current state of a business process, showing how work is actually done currently. It is called the current operating model (COM). The purpose of the as-is model are: 1. Understand existing workflows, systems, and interactions. 2. Identify inefficiencies, bottlenecks, or gaps. And 3. Provide a baseline for improvement. Key business analyst activities in the as-is process model. Number 1. Stakeholder identification and engagement. The business analyst carries out the following: identifies process owners, identifies subject matter experts (SMEs), schedules workshops and interviews, and engages operational staff. Number 2 of the business analyst activities is process elicitation. The business analyst gathers information using techniques such as interviews, workshops, observation job shadowing, document analysis, or surveys. The business analyst asks questions like what triggers the process? What steps are performed? Who performs each step? What systems are used? And what documents are generated? Number 3 of the business analyst activities is documenting of the current process. The business analyst creates visual models such as process flow diagrams, swimlane diagrams, business process model and notation (BPMN) diagrams, and value stream maps. The aim of the visual models is to show the sequence of activities, decision points, inputs and outputs, and roles and responsibilities. Number 4 of the business analyst activities is identifying pain points. The business analyst analyzes the current process to identify bottlenecks, delays, manual workarounds, duplicate activities, system limitations, and compliance risks. Number 5 of the business analyst activities is identifying business rules. The business analyst extracts and documents the following: approval limits, validation rules, regulatory constraints, and exception handling logic. Number 6 of the business analyst activities is capturing of metrics. The business analyst may collect cycle time, processing time, error rates, volume of transactions, and cost per transaction. Number 7 of the business analyst activities in the as-is process model is validating the as-is model. After documentation, the business analyst will carry out the following. 1. Reviews the model with stakeholders. 2. Confirms accuracy. 3. Resolves inconsistencies. And 4. Gains formal sign-off. Number 8 of the business analyst activities is supporting gap analysis. The as-is model becomes the baseline for gap analysis, process redesign, to-be model development, and solution requirements. Now let us look at the outputs of an as-is process model. Outputs or artifacts of the as-is model are flowcharts, process maps, swimlane diagrams, or value stream maps. We will now examine the second model, the to-be process model. To-be is a representation of the future or improved state of the process, showing how it should work after changes are implemented. It is called the Target Operating Model (TOM). Purpose of the to-be model are: 1. Show the desired process after improvements or solution implementation. 2. Align stakeholders on how the new process will operate. 3. Serve as a blueprint for design, development, or implementation. What are the key business analyst activities in the to-be process model? Number 1 key business analyst activity is to define improvement objectives. The BA first clarifies the following. What problem are we solving? What are the business goals? What does success look like? And what KPIs must improve? Example of improvement objectives are: reduce processing time from 5 days to 1 day, eliminate manual data entry, and improve compliance accuracy. Number 2 key business analyst activity is to analyze gaps, as is versus to be. The business analyst performs gap analysis by comparing current process, as is, and desired future state to be. The business analyst identifies missing capabilities, process inefficiencies, automation opportunities, and system limitations. Number 3 key business analyst activity is to design the future process. The business analyst will redesign workflows. 2. Removes unnecessary steps. 3. Introduces automation. 4. Defines new roles if needed. And 5. Simplifies decision points. The to-be model should be more efficient. Reduce risk, improve customer experience, and align with business strategy. Number 4 key business analyst activity is to define new business rules. The business analyst identifies and documents the following: updated approval limits, new validation rules, compliance requirements, and exception handling logic. Number 5 key business analyst activity is to identify system requirements. The to-be model often drives functional requirements, integration needs, data requirements, and reporting requirements. Number 6 key business analyst activity is to conduct stakeholder workshops. The business analyst facilitates design workshops, validates feasibility, gains consensus, and resolves conflicting views. Number 7 key business analyst activity is to assess risks and impacts. The business analyst evaluates: 1. Organizational impact. 2. Change management needs. 3. Training requirements. And 4. Data migration implication. Number 8 key business analyst activity is to validate and obtain sign-off. Before moving to development, the business analyst reviews the to-be model with stakeholders, confirms it meets objectives, and gains approval from stakeholders. What are the outputs or artifacts of the to-be model? 1. Optimized process maps. 2. Redesigned workflows. And 3. New system interaction diagrams. We'll pause here for now. In the next video, we'll explore the outputs, or artifacts, of the project analysis and design phase. Before you move to the next video, I'd like you to complete the following exercise. 1. What are the key activities in the project analysis and design phase? 2. What are the key activities of a business analyst in the as-is and to-be models?